Fifth class, page 57 of Basic Maths. Okay, so we have these coloured shapes. There's a fraction of each shape coloured. So for example here, it's 2/3. So 2/3 are coloured in, it's equal to 10. So what do each of these yellow segments count as? So if 2/3 are equal to 10, what's 1/3? So if two of them make 10, what's 1? It's 5, isn't it? Okay, so if one section is 5, and we would find the whole circle, and there's 3 sections in the whole circle, how much is the whole circle worth? So one section is worth 5, how much is the whole circle worth? 15, alright? Because it was 3 by 5. Remember I said if we could find one part of it, we can find whatever number we want. Okay, so for example here, we want to get 1/4 of this box, and we know that the coloured sections are 18. Okay, so there's 3 coloured sections, and they're worth 18. So what's one coloured section? So how do we get this? So we have 18 and we have 3 of them. Okay, so we divide 18 by 3 and we get, what do we get? 6, alright, 6. Okay, so if one coloured square is worth 6, how much is 4 coloured squares? The whole thing. It's worth 4 by 6, 24. Okay, so do the same logic with all the rest of them. So find one first and then find the whole amount, alright? Okay, so over here 8 children are doing different jigsaws. How many pieces altogether are there in each puzzle? Okay, so Jack has 1/5 done. So he has 1, 2, 3 pieces, and he has 1/5 of the puzzle done. So how many pieces are in the puzzle altogether? So if he has 1/5 done, and there's 3 pieces. So obviously 1/5 of the puzzle is 3. So how do we find all of the puzzle? We have to multiply 3 by 5, because there's 5 pieces altogether. So 3 by 5 is 15. Okay, this should be very easy for you. You should be able to do these no bother. Okay, so for example, this one, the last one, Luke. So Luke was doing a jigsaw, and he has 3/10 done. Now let's count how many pieces there is in this jigsaw. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 12, 18. Okay, there's 18 pieces altogether, right? So 18 pieces, and he has 3/10 done. So how do we find 10/10? So the whole thing. So 18, so we divide by the top, multiply by the bottom. 18 divided by 3 is 6, okay? And 6 multiplied by 10 is, what is it? 60, alright? So there's 60 all together. Okay, so he has 3/10 done, he has 18 pieces down, but there's 60 pieces all together in the whole puzzle. Right? These should be very easy for you, you should get these no bother. Right? Okay, everything in the sports shop is on sale. This is on page 57 again. So question 3, everything in the sports shop is on sale. What were the original prices? So they are now this price, but what were they originally? So this is now 2/3 of the original price. Okay, so €10 is 2/3 of the original price. How do we find 3/3? What do we have to do? Divide by the top, multiply by the bottom. Same thing over and over again. So 10 divided by 2 is, perfect, 5 by 3 is 15, perfect, okay? So original price is 15, and because it's on sale, it's now down to 10. Okay, so these numbers along here should always be bigger than the number here, because these are on sale, remember? So these numbers down here should always be bigger. Okay, so we divide by the top, multiply by the bottom. Okay, very easy. An exact same thing down here as well. We divide by the top and multiply by the bottom. Right?